This country's trade union federations are dismayed that their operations have not been deemed essential. This morning, General Secretary of NATUC, Michael Anisette, spoke with the TTT Morning Show to clarify the issue.
The government did in fact included the trade union movement as an essential organization on the 13th of May 2020. So that we were taken aback with this new rollout that the trade union movement again was excluded, given the role that the trade union have to play in the context of what is happening at the workplaces.
Mr. Anisette said that he cannot understand how the union was deemed essential in 2020 yet left out of that category this year. He explained that in any lockdown, issues dealing with workers are even more pressing than in ordinary times.
There is more people who are getting sick. There is more people who are dying, and therefore there are more issues on the workplace. I had to deal with an issue Saturday at a National Flour Mill. I had to go to the Port of Spain. I had to go to Point Lisas to deal and address issues to kind of iron out some fundamental issues on the workplace, because there are several issues on the workplace in the context of how the act and the rollout is interpreted.
He says the consequences of not being classed as essential means that despite being called to court, the necessary preparation cannot happen because they aren't allowed to open their offices.
If you exclude me and I cannot come out and I cannot make representation, we're going to have a problem, because the more the pandemic increases, the more the workforce is exposed, is the more you need to be vigilant and the more the trade union have to be involved in the matter.
Simply, Mr. Anisette concludes that the union's ability and right to represent vulnerable workers should not be jeopardized at such a critical time. Marie-Therese Bernard, TTT News.